distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Coleridge Annex 4 and ICS. Good day everyone. Today I will explain the method of transmitting and receiving distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Coleridge Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals or ICS. The SOS distress signals is an intentionally recognized emergency signals used by ships, aircraft, and other vessels to request immediate assistance during distress situations such as sinking, fire, collision, or man overboard. Morse code is a communication system that uses short signals called dots and long signals called dashes represent letters and numbers. In maritime communications, these signals can be transmitted using the flashlight called a Morse light or signal lamp. According to Coleridge Annex 4 and ICS, the distress signals SOS is transmitted as 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. This pattern means S dot 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 O dash 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 S dot dot dot. The Morse code pattern for SOS is short, 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 long, 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 short, short, short. In Morse code timing, a short flash lasts for 1 second. A long flash lasts for 3 seconds. There is a short pause between flashes. Example, flash, 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 long flash, long flash, long flash, 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 flash. To transmit the SOS distress signal, first, prefer the Morse signaling lamp or flashlight. Second, aim the light toward the receiving ship or situation. 3. Send 3 short flashes. 4. Follow with 3 long flashes. 5. End with 3 short flashes again. 6. Repeat the signal continuously until the assistance responds. The signals must be clear and visible, especially during nighttime or poor visibility conditions. The person transmitting should maintain proper timing and accuracy to avoid confusion. When a ship receives an SOS distress signals through Morse light, the officer on watch should immediately report it to the ship master or captain. The receiving vessel should first confirm the distress signals. 2. Determine the position of the distressed vessel if possible. 3. Respond using Morse light, radio, or other communication equipment. 4. Provide assistance or relay the distress message to rescue authorities. The SOS signals is important because it is simple, easy to recognize, and understood intentionally. It helps save lives during emergencies at sea. Even with modern communication systems today, Morse light signaling remains an important backup method in maritime communication and safety. In conclusion, the SOS distress signals through Morse light is a vital emergency communication method under Coleridge Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals. Understanding how to transmit and receive SOS correctly helps ensure safety of life at sea and proper response during emergency. Thank you.